Hello everyone, I am Ranjan Singh, Faculty of History, and I am here to give you a brief about our history optional test series, which we are going, which is starting from your 18th of this June, 18th of this month only. And yes, prelims, it's already been a week to prelims. So all those students who have given their prelims, those who are getting around 80 marks now, they should leave everything and they should start their mains preparation. As early as you deboard the prelims train and move to the or board the mains train, higher the probability of your success is. So please don't waste your time. This is very precious. We only have 100 days for this coming mains. Every day is very important for you, and therefore छोड़ो जो भी कट ऑफ है, जैसे भी जो भी डिस्कशन है, leave it, and those who are getting approximately 80 marks, they should prepare for this year mains. That is what you should do, and for this you should definitely focus on answer writing. If you are writing this mains, those who do not practice answer writing, most of them are not able to complete their paper on time. Those who do not write the tests, they are not able to complete their paper on time, and therefore they leave questions. Some students तो even leave 30 or 40 marks question in the examination, and वो exam से बाहर आए तो अगला ना भी दे तो चलेगा, because they are already out. If you are leaving 40 or 50 marks in your examination or in your optional paper, then it is for sure that you are not getting selected. So joining a test series or a writing test is one of the most important tasks which you should do at this juncture of time for your preparation of mains. And for all the history optional students, they should or they can join this history optional test series program of 2023. It is starting from 18th of this month, as I have already told you. It consists of total 12 tests. It consists of, you can see, total 12 tests, 8 sectional tests, 2 each for ancient, medieval, modern and world, and after that we have 4 full tests. The last test will be on 3rd of September. After this you will have approximately 12 days for before your mains examination, which starts from your 15th of September. So you will have enough time for revision of this GS papers, and after GS you will have 5-day break. In that you can revise this whole test series, this whole paper again, and appear for your history optional exam. So why you should join this program? First of all, the nature of questions or the quality of questions and model answers, they are one of the best in the market. That is what I can say. You can see those answers on our Telegram channel also. The Telegram channel by Guidance IS, history optional by Guidance IS. You can see the nature of our content which we give to our students, and that is one thing. Apart from that, the copy will be evaluated by the faculty, that is by me only. We are not hiring or we are not outsourcing this copy evaluation. It will be done by me. And the third and the most important thing is there will be one-to-one interaction with students. Throughout this program, we will have 4 one-to-one interactions with our students, and if a student wishes, we can increase that number more. But we can have 4 one-to-one interactions in which we can discuss the subject specific doubt, that is for sure. What to do to improve upon that, that is for sure. Apart from that, any other thing which is derailing your preparation can also be discussed. Okay, and even in few topics, if you have any doubt, that also you can clear in that one-to-one discussion. Agree? Then total number of tests, copy evaluation, nature of questions, nature of model answers, and one-to-one sessions, all of that is fine. After that, we will also provide the recorded recorded lectures, I would say, on the test discussions. So recorded discussions of the test will be provided to all the enrolled students, and in the recorded lectures it will be a value enriched lectures in which the added you can say aspects or points will be there. So that will also benefit all the students. So all those who are writing this mains or who are actually scoring around 80 marks with history optional, they should join this program as soon as possible, and we will make it, or we will try to make it your last attempt, because if you get selected this year, then this will be your last attempt. In that sense, the last attempt, that is what we wish. As soon as we get selected, we come out of this whole vicious cycle of this UPSC. That is what it is. So we will try to add value to your preparation and help you to score around 300 marks. We aim to do that, and with your support or with your hard work and your dedication, you will be able to do that. We will be helping you in that. Okay, and so all the students, they should join this. Admissions are open. The first test is on 18th of this June, and so you can visit the guidance office, the front office in ORN, or you can even call and get enrolled online. Thank you.